Hello, it's Laura with USATuff, and in today's video I am going to introduce the newest brand of cooler that we've added to the USATuff lineup, and then I'm going to show you how to transform a cooler like this into a cooler like this. Okay, super quick, if you're new to the USATuff brand, we specialize in the manufacturing of premium vinyl cooler wrap skins that you install on your favorite cooler, and also SeaDek custom cooler pads. Okay, now we're going to get down to the good stuff. I'd like to introduce Blue Coolers. That's the newest brand we're adding to the USATuff lineup. I'm super excited to show you how our wraps look on this new cooler and to introduce it. So what I love most about Blue Coolers, in addition to the fact that they're amazing coolers, is that this was started as a small family business, and their focus is on a high quality product at an affordable price, and they do everything with integrity. We also love the family aspect of this business. It's much like USATuff, and we also learned that they focus a lot of support with first responders and giving back to the community. I will share a link below in the description of this video so you can learn more about the Blue Cooler brand. And now let's get started. Okay, I've cleared everything off to make space for this installation video, a little bit of a before and after. Now I am going to share a link in the description here that gives you a full step-by-step installation instruction guide. Today's video is going to be high speed. We're just going to go through and show you what it looks like before and after, but click on that link below if you'd like to go step-by-step on how to install a USATuff wrap. When you order a wrap from us, it comes in a box like this. The first instructions are going to be to remove the kit and lay it flat so it has time to relax. I've already done that for sake of time. For the Blue Coolers, we do have an exciting little accent addition on these. You'll notice on the inside they have the inlay of the brand logo, and we've added to this particular kit little decals that you can adhere there. It looks really cool, and I'll show you that before and after. So let's get going. Thank you so much for watching this USATuff introduction of the new cooler wrap line for the blue coolers. We also do SeaDek cooler pads. Visit us at USATuff.com. If you have any questions, reach out. We'll get back to you right away. And again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.